Warning, which is in effect from 4 a.m. to 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time Monday. Locations, southeast Massachusetts including Cape Cod and the islands. This includes the cities and towns of Brockton, Plymouth, Mattapoisett, Chatham, Falmouth, Provincetown, Vineyard Haven and Nantucket. Hazard types. Heavy wet snow and strong winds may result in downed tree limbs and possible power outages. Strong winds and heavy snow will create blizzard/whiteout conditions at times. Accumulations, snow accumulation of 8 to 12 inches, but potentially up to 18 inches over parts of Plymouth County and Upper Cape Cod. Less snowfall of 4 to 8 inches is expected for Nantucket. Timing, snow overspreads the area 5 a.m. to 8 a.m. Monday morning with the heaviest snow occurring after 8 a.m. and into the early afternoon. Snow intensity will begin to diminish between 4 p.m. to 7 p.m. Impacts, considerable falling and/or blowing and drifting snow. Visibilities will become poor with whiteout conditions at times. Those venturing outdoors may become lost or disoriented, so persons in the warning area are advised to stay indoors. Winds, northeast 30 to 40 miles per hour with gusts up to 65 miles per hour. Visibilities, 1/4 mile or less at times. A blizzard warning is issued when sustained winds, or frequent gusts over 35 miles per hour, are expected with considerable falling and/or blowing and drifting snow. Visibilities will become poor with whiteout conditions at times. Those venturing outdoors may become lost or disoriented, so persons in the warning area are advised to stay indoors. Winter storm warning in effect from 4 a.m. Monday to 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Tuesday. The National Weather Service in Taunton has issued a winter storm warning for heavy snow, which is in effect from 4 a.m. Monday to 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Tuesday. The winter storm watch is no longer in effect. Locations, the greater Boston area, North Shore, westward to Worcester and south into northeast Connecticut, all of Rhode Island and adjacent eastern Massachusetts. This includes the cities and towns of Framingham, Lowell, Lawrence, Gloucester, Foxborough, Norwood, Cambridge, Quincy, Taunton, Fall River, New Bedford, Foster, Smithfield, Providence, Warwick, Bristol, and Newport. Hazard types, heavy snow. Accumulations, snow accumulation of 6 to 10 inches. Timing, snow overspreads the area Monday morning 4 a.m. to 7 a.m. and becomes heavy at times after 8 a.m. and continues into the early afternoon. Snow intensity begins to diminish by mid-afternoon. Impacts, travel will be slow at best on well-treated surfaces and quite difficult on any unplowed or untreated surfaces. Winds, north 15 to 25 miles per hour with gusts up to 40 miles per hour. Visibilities, 1/4 mile or less at times. A winter storm warning is issued when an average of 6 or more inches of snow is expected in a 12-hour period, or for 8 or more inches in a 24-hour period. Travel will be slow at best on well-treated surfaces, and quite difficult on any unplowed or untreated surfaces. Winter weather advisory in effect from 4 a.m. Monday to 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Tuesday. The National Weather Service in Taunton has issued a winter weather advisory for snow, which is in effect from 4 a.m. Monday to 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Tuesday. Locations, much of northern Connecticut into central and western Massachusetts. This includes the cities and towns of Hartford, Windsor Locks, Union, Vernon, Charlemont, Greenfield, Orange, Berry, Fitchburg, Chesterfield, Blandford, Amherst, Northampton, Springfield, and Ayr. Hazard types, snow. Accumulations, snow accumulation of 3 to 6 inches. Timing, snow overspreads the area between 4 a.m. and 7 a.m. with snow becoming steadier and somewhat heavier thereafter, and continuing into early afternoon, before tapering off mid to late afternoon. Impacts, travel will be slow at best on well-treated surfaces, and quite difficult on any unplowed or untreated surfaces. Winds